श्रीमान वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्किक केसरी वेदांताचार्य वर्यो में सन्निधत्तां सदाकृति श्रीवासरंग परकाल मुनित्रयाप्त लक्ष्मात्मरक्षण यतित्व युगागमान्तम् आचार्य भक्ति परिपूत मनर्गशीलं गोपाल देशिक मुनिं गुरुमाश्रयामः. Today is the most auspicious day and the title given is the unparalleled Aipasi days. These are the 5 days or 4 days which are unparalleled Aipasi days, because Aipasi Moolam is Swami Manavala Mavanigal Trinakshatram, his Janmadinam, and Aipasi Thiruvanam, Poigai Alvar, Avittam, Bhudattalvar, Sadayam, Pei Alvar. Consecutive days they were born and the same year, Aipasi month, unconnected with each other. It's all God's plan, Sriman Narayana's plan. Vedanta Desika says, Abhinava Avataram Shaidaruli. It is that another 10 avataram made by Perumal as Alvars. So, Poigai Alvar, Bhudattalvar, Pei Alvar. And all 3 of them were the Amsham of the Nitya Suris. Actually speaking, Poigai Alvar appeared, they were all not born of human beings. They were all Ayonijas. They just appeared. And because it is Deva Amsham. In fact, Vedanta Desika also says, Masil Mananteli Munivar Vaguttadellam Maluganda Asiriyar Varthaikku Ova. The English crude language meaning translation is Vyasar, Shukar, Parasara, their works are nothing compared to the Alvars' works. Because Alvars were blessed by Perumal straight away, whereas the other rishis had their yogic power. Perumal blessed them with yogic power and they came out with their works. Whereas Alvars were simply Mayarvara Madinala Marula Petravarga. That's why Vedanta Desika mentioned that Shankamigu Tamil Marayon. Sankat, so he himself calls as himself as the servant of the Veda Marai, the one who recites the Tamil Marai, Tamil Vedam. Vedanta Desika mentioned. And we recited the Upadesa Rattina Malai, which praised the Alvar's birth, the works, and the Divya and the place of birth, everything. And Manavala Mamani also glorifies Alvar. And Manavala Mamani's Trinakshatram also is Aipasi Moolam. Aipasi Thiruvanam is Pillai Lokacharya's Trinakshatram. So most wonderful day is today. And as I said, he appeared on a lotus flower in a pond, Poigai. That's why it's called Poigai Alvar. And in Kanchipuram. Whereas Bhudattalvar took birth or avataram in Tirikkadan Mallai, Mamallapuram. On a Kurukkattipu, another flower. And the third Alvar, Pei Alvar, appeared in Mylapur. And he was in a lily, the red lily flower. So all 3 appeared on a not were born of human beings. On Thiruvanam, Avittam, Sadayam consecutively, they all met in Tirukkovalur. We know the background and they burst out with 100 pasurams. So we will just take one pasuram each of these alvars because we are running out of time. But that one, all that I am going to focus today is how it is practical for our day-to-day life, these alvars work. Because the kids ask, what's the point in enjoying their vision and enjoyment? How does it matter to me? And it does matter. Because they say, Nayaven Pirar Porulai, Nallen Kilarod, Uyaven, Uyarndorad Allal. Viyaven, Tirumalai Allad, Devamen Reten, Varumar Nammel Vinay, Poyava says, Nayaven Pirar Porulai, I would not covet other person's wealth. Nayaven Pirat, I would not desire for other person's wealth. I am not interested. Because only if you are stuck with material pursuits, pleasures, you would say that guy has got iPhone latest, I have only 2 years old. So, Nayaven, when he is not looking, just see how it is. Nayaven Pirar Porulai, Nallen Kilarod, I would not associate myself with the lowly ones. Means those who are with running amok behind material pursuit, worldly pleasures, Devatantram, I would not associate with them. மற்றுமோர் தெய்வம் உளதென்று இருப்பாரோடு உற்றதும் உன் அடியார்க்கு அடிமை. திருமங்கை ஆழ்வார் says, I would not engage myself with those who say that there is other God, Devatantaram. I would not engage with them. And I would be a servant to the Bhagavatottamas, Srimad Narayana's devotees. And that's what here also he says, நயவேன் பிறர் பொருளை நல்லேன் கீழாரோடு உயவேன் உயர்ந்தவரோடு அல்லால். I will engage myself with only the Mahaniyas, Paramaikantis. And Tirumala அல்லது தெய்வம் என்றேத்தே. I would not pray to anyone else other than Perumal. I would not even praise Slokam on any other Perumal, any other Lord, any other Devata, இதர தேவதா. வருமாறு நம்மேல் வினை. How will any karma vinay come to me? How would I ever get papam anymore? No, I would not get. Because I am associating with the Bhagavatas. I praise only the Lord Srimad Narayana. Why would I get any more papam? Varumar. So it is for us. Even Marandum Puram Tola Mandar, Trimayajyalva says, even if you forget Srimad Narayana, no problem. But Puram Tola Mandar, do not pray to other gods. You need not worry about Narayanan anymore. You perform Sharanagati, don't bother. But do not go to other gods. Marandum, even if you marandify, forget Srimad Narayana, Puram Tola Mandar, should not go to others. Trimayajyalva says. Anyway, that is first. Second, உளதென்று இருமாவார் உண்டில்லை என்றே தளர்தல் அதனரகும் ஷாரா. அளப்பரிய வேதத்தான் வெங்கடத்தான் விண்ணோர் முடித்தோயும் பாதத்தான் பாதம் பணிந்து. பூதத்தாழ்வார் பாசுரம். See, one who has performed Sharanagati, one who has unflinching, unconditional Mahavishwasam on Perumal. உளதென்று இருமாவார். Just because he got a promotion, he got some salary hike, he got a car, jump with joy, give a treat, so tell everyone, put Instagram. உளதென்று இருமாவார். No, they won't do that. Bhagavad Anugraham, Acharyan Anugraham, something. Punya Papam, Prarabdha Karma is getting dissolved. Punyam is getting dissolved. உளதென்று இருமாவால் உண்டில் இல்லை என்றே தளர்தல் அதனருகும் ஷாரார். If you are looking for something, you don't get. You are looking for a promotion, you don't get. You are looking for an increment, you don't get. You are looking for your son's flying colors exam, he gets only pass mark. So, இல்லை என் தளர்தல் அதனருகும் ஷாரார். They won't get depressed, feel bad about it, have grief, sorrow. No. Bhagavad Sankalpa. He knows what is due for us. Just because I jump, run up and down, things are not going to change. What is destined for me will happen. What is destined for him or her will happen. But doesn't mean that you should not put an effort. Don't mistake me. Okay, Madhavakandan said, I will stop studying Appa. He said, what will happen, why should I study? No, Perumal wants you to study. That's also his sankalpam. You want 90 marks, he will give you 88. So, that's his sankalpam. So, that is the one. தளர்தல் அதனருகும் ஷாரார். அளப்பரிய வேதத்தான் வெங்கடத்தான் விண்ணோர் முடித்தோயும் பாதத்தான் பாதம் பணிந்து. Who will do like that? Those who surrender to Trivengadathan, Trimalayappan. So that's the second slokam. Third slokam, which is equally wonderful, and that is சென்றநாள் செல்லாத செங்கன்மால் எங்கள்மால் என்றநாளும் எந்நாளும் நாளாகும் என்றும் இரவாது எந்த இணையடிக்கே ஆளாய் மறவாது வாழ்த்துக என் வாய். பேயாழ்வார் says. See, same as Periyalvar mentioned, if I do not perform Thiruvaradhana, if I do not do Ashtakshara mantra jabam, that day is a day without food for me. அவை தத்துருமாகில் அன்று எனக்கு பட்டினினாலே, he says. Similarly here Periyalvar says, சென்ற நாள், if a day goes without uttering the divine name of Srimad Narayana, that day is not a day for me, it's gone waste. The day where I have uttered Hari, Narayana, is a day well spent for me. Not the day where you have missed Netflix or seen Netflix. The day where you have not uttered Srimad Narayana, that day is lost. That's what Periyalvar says. Such a wonderful way they have given us the day-to-day practical things to do. how you should behave as a Prapandan, as the one who has performed Saradagati, as the one who has got unflinching faith on Sriman Narayana, how you should behave. Now we will go to the Acharyas. Pillai Lokacharya and Manavala Vamani. They are, Alvars are nothing. They have given such a beautiful practical application. Pillai Lokacharya was born on 1205, 106 years he lived, and he attained Acharya Trivedi. He and his younger brother, Alagiya Manavala Perumal Nayanar, both of them were brahmacharis. They lived as a brahmachari throughout. And they were the son of Vadakku Tiruvidi Pillai. And Vadakku Tiruvidi Pillai took down the notes when Nampillai gave Thiruvaimozhi Vyakyanam. And that became Eedu Vyakyanam, which is very popular. Extremely Anubhavam filled, this Eedu Thiruvaimozhi Vyakyanam. So wonderful. And then of course Pillai Lokacharya gave 18 works, Ragasyam works, out of which 3 are the most important. Tattvatrayam, Mumukshupadi and Sri Vachana Bhushana. Tattvatrayam is about the Chit, Achit, Ishwaran, which is fine. Then Mumukshupadi is how one should behave, the mantra Ragasyam, how a Mumukshu, what he should do and all that. Sri Vachana Bhushanam is the most wonderful. It's a Bhagavata Vaibhavam, is what you should do, what you should not do, how one should behave, all that. And that from that there are 10 commandments from this Pillai Lokacharya Sri Vachana Bhushanam. I will read out and give one-liner English meaning. Number 1, Purambundana Patrigalai Vasanayodu Vidigai. Itara Vishayams, all other than Sriman Narayana, any other thing. Trinam, like Yonityamachyuta Padambuja Yukmarukma Vyamogada Statitarani Trinayamene. For Ramanuja, Achyuta's feet only is the worthy thing to be considered. Other than that, everything is a blade of grass for Ramanuja. He said, Pillai Lokacharya says, any other worldly object, material pleasure, vidigai, detach yourself. Don't think that because I am speaking I have done. No. Let's all try to do 1/1,000,000th of what he says. 1. Number 2, Emberumane Tanjam Endru Pattugai. Hold on to the Lord Sriman Narayana's lotus feet as the only one refuge. Number 2. Number 3, Peru Tappadu Endru Tunindirikkai. He would definitely grant me moksha. Ma Suchaga, he said, and Ramo Dvirnabhibhashti, he would not utter the word twice. He would definitely not let us down. He is Achyutan. So, Peru Tappadu Endru Tunindirikkai. Have faith, have Maha Vishwasa. That is 3rd. Petrikku Tvarikai. 4th. Means you should have intense longing desire to attain Sri Vaikuntha. We should not say, oh, another 10 years, 20 years, let my grandson get married. So, if things happen, you should welcome the Lord of Death, that you will attain him. That's the 4th. Irukkum naal ugandarulan nilangalil pravananai gunanubhava kainkaryam seigai. Irukkum naal, the days where you live, enjoy being in visiting Divya Deshams. And gunanubhavam, enjoy the divine qualities of Perumal, divine qualities of Bhagavatas. And kainkaryam, perform Bhagavata Acharya kainkaryam. Then that's how you should pass time. He says, 6. Ippadi irukkum Sri Vaishnava. Okay, he said all this. 6 is the beautiful one. Ippadi irukkum Sri Vaishnavargalil ஏற்றம் அறிந்து உகந்து இருக்கை. For those Sri Vaishnavas who are following the above 5, be with them and enjoy being with them. Don't get quarrel with them. Don't think that I saw him eating in Komalas. He talked so much. He was eating onion and garlic. So don't look at Gunam Nadi, Kutramam Nadi, Avatul Migai Nadi, Mikka Kolal. இப்படி இருக்கும் ஸ்ரீ வைஷ்ணவர்கள் ஏற்றம் அறிந்து உகந்து இருக்கை. Be with them, enjoy being with them, talk good thing about them. And main thing, தீக்குறளை சென்றோதும். That's your tagline. I saw. Don't go spread to others about the negative qualities of other Sri Vaishnavas. To others. If at all you want to correct him, tell him. Do not tell others. So that is the 6. 7. Tirumandaratil Dvayatil Niyata Nagai. Sorry, before that. the previous one which I said, Periyajiyar himself says, everything else one follow, but this is tough. The one enjoy being with the Sri Vaishnava Bhagavatotabhas is tough. Periyajiyar mentions. When he himself mentions, it is definitely tough. That is why Ramanuja says, when he had thousands and thousands of Sishyas, he says, the most thing that you should be worried about is Bhagavatapachara. Because he knew that there will be Bhagavatapachara. As long as we have Triguna Sambandham, we will have ego, we will have arrogance, we will say, Ni Periyana, Nam Periyana, why should I believe, why should I listen to you? So all that will happen because of Triguna Sambandham. But try to curtail and seek forgiveness. Whether you have done it or not, anything if I have done intentionally or unintentionally, please forgive me. So that's the way we should behave. Seven Tirumantaratil Dvayatil Niyatanagai. Always follow Ashtaksharam Dvayam, the Arthanusandhan. Artham. Simple. Ananyarga Seshatvam. I am not servant to anyone else other than Sriyapati Sriman Narayana. Then he is the only means. Divya Dampati, Sriyapati Sriman Narayanan, Lakshmi Vishishtan is the only means for me. I will go enjoy him finally. This Trimantaram, Dvayam, we can think of. 8. Acharya Premam Ganatirikai. Have an love, Premam. And that love, not small love. Like when you started dating your spouse, how much love you had. Now you may not, but that time, how much ever you had that time, you should have million times that on Sriyapati Sriman Narayana. Acharya Nidatil, and the Acharya, the one who connected us to the Sriman Narayana. Premam Ganatirikai. We should have so much Acharya Premam. Then Acharyan Pakkalilum, Emperuman Pakkalilum, Kritagnyana Irikai. Be grateful to Acharyan and Emperuman always. Not Kritagyanai. Kritagyanai. Kritagnan is ungrateful. Kritagnan is being grateful. Correct, Swami? So, Kritagyanai Irikai. Then Patri, the last one. Jnanamum, Viraktiyum, Shantamum, Udayanai, Irukkum, Satviganodu, Sagavasam Pannugai. What a beautiful line. The one who has Jnanam, who has Virakti, Vairagyam, Ragam is Asai, Viragam is not having Asai, not having desire. Vairagyam, the one who has got no desire, detached from other thing. Viraktiyum, Shantamam, one who does not easily get angry. And அப்படி இருப்பான் சாந்தமும் உடையவனா இருக்கை அவனிடம் சாத்விகனா இருக்கும் அவனிடம் சகவாசம் கொள்கை. Be friendly with him, have a connection, contact with him. That's why I came here, so that I can be with all of you. So these 10 commandments from Pillai Lokacharya is the most thing that we should try to cultivate and remember. Very difficult, but let's do that. Then comes Manavala Mamunigal. Manavala Mamunigal, 1370, 1 year after Vedanta Desika attained Acharya Trivedi, Swami appeared, Sri Manavala Mamunigal. Swami Manavala Mamunigal he took sannyasam afterwards, and he lived for about 70 years. In fact, he learnt Sri Bhashyam from Vedanta Desika's son, Pillai Lokacharya, Nainacharya, his Shishya. So, for everyone, all Sri Vaishnavas, Vedanta Desika comes in Sri Vaishnava Acharya Parampara, because Swami Manavala Mamunigal learned Sri Bhashyam from that connection. Brahmatantra Swatantra, so Parakala Matajiya, his Shishya, Swami learnt from Sri Bhashyam from. However, Manavala Mamunigal immersed himself in Alva's Irachal, Alva's works, and he was in Srirangam. He enjoyed so much the Alva's works. In fact, he is called Yatindra Pramana. Shri Shailesa Dayapatram Deepatyadi Gunarnavam Yatindra Pramanam Vande Ramya Jamataram Munim. Ramya Jamataram Munim. Alagiya Manavala Muni. Manavala Mamuni. So, Manavala Mamuni was Yatindra Pramana. He always used to contemplate on Ramanuja. Ramanuja. Always. That's why he named his son also on Ramanuja. He composed verses called Yatiraja Vimsati, 20 works on Ramanuja, in parallel with Swami Desikan's Yatiraja Saptati. And it's soul-stirring works. Upadesha Ratinamalai, wonderful work. each one was so beautiful. Swami gave the title from the Upadesa Ratnamala, Aipasi, Oppilavo Aipasi Natkal. There no way you can compare Aipasi Nal, these 4 days of Aipasi Nal, which is wonderful. And Rama, even in fact, he wrote Vyakyanam on Nutrandadi, Ramanuja Nutrandadi. And my most favorite is Arti Prabandha. And I do not miss whenever I talk about Manavala Mamani on Arti Prabandha. Arti Prabandham is my most favorite because Tennarangar Shirarudukku Ilakkagat Petrom, Tiruvarangam Tirupadiye Iruppagat Petrom, Manniyashir Marankalai Unavagat Petrom, Madhurakavi Sorpadiye Nilayagat Petrom. The way he comes out with that powerful lines, Tennarangar Shirarudukku Ilakkagat Petrom. We have been blessed to be the recipient of the Lord Ranganatha's grace. Tiruvarangam Tirupadiye Iruppagat Petrom. We have been blessed to live in Srirangam. Manavala Mamani was blessed to be. We have been blessed to visit Srirangam. Tennarangam Tirupadiye Visitagat Petrom. Manniyashir Maran Kalai Unavagat Petrom. Maran, the Nammalvar's works are our food, are our prasadam. Unavagat Madhurakavi Sorpadiye Nilayagat Petrom. Madhurakavi, for him only Nammalvar, only Acharya. Deva Matchariyan, there is no other. Acharyadika Devatam Samadikam Anyamnam Anyamage. Vedanta Desika says, I would not consider anyone else equal to Acharya. Any god equal to Acharya. Acharya is the ultimate. Because there is no way even the Lord can pay back what Acharya has done for us. Because Acharya is the one who gave us to Perumal. And Perumal cannot give what Acharya has done to us. Because he got his son back. Perumal has got his children back in Sri Vaikuntham. For that he wants to pay something to the Acharyan. He cannot pay back. Then how we should pay back? Just by praising the Acharya. Madhurakavi Sorpadiye Nilayaga Petrom. And Manavala Mamani says, he tells about Ramanuja, Adigaram Mundel Arangar Irangaro, Adigaram Illadavar Kandro Yedirasha, Ni Iranga Venduvade. If you perform Karmanyana Bhakti Yogam, if you are contemplating on Lord always, then the Lord Ranganatha will bless you. But Ramanuja, even if you decide to do like that, where would we go? We do not know anything else like Karmanyana Bhakti Yogam, Anushtanam, Jnanam, Vairagyam, Bhakti, we don't know. Even if you decide to bless only those who are qualified, where would we go? Yenshaivom Yam. So you should please bless those who are unqualified like us. Manavala Mamani says, of course it's not applicable for him, it's applicable for us. In Naichyanusandanam he mentioned. So that's one. And the most topping it all, he says, Yennai pol pidai seivari ulagil undo. Is there anyone who has committed apacharam like me? Ahamasmi aparada chakravarti. Vedanta Desika says, I am the aparada chakravarti. But you are the most qualified because you are Daya Devi. So you should bless me, Vedanta Desika says. Here Manavala Mamani says, Yennai pol pidai seivari ulagil undo. Unnai pol purukka vallar undo. Is there anyone who is as patient as you are? Who can forgive as you are? Is there anyone, Ramanuja? Only you can forgive such unqualified aparadis like me. Only you can do. And he says, Anaithulagum Vadappiranda Yatiraja Yelaikku Irangai Ini. Anaithulagum Vadappiranda Yatiraja. You took birth only to save the entire humanity. Please have pity on me also. Manavala Mamani says. With that I would conclude. Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha.